extracurricular stuff. So, especially when me and Woody are out there, we're just kind of trying to cause a little havoc and, play physical, but, play clean at the same time.
How hard is it to not get comfortable in the position that you guys are in now, up 3-1?
Yeah, I think it's just, again, we're going to go into that barn. Obviously, they're going to be feeding off that crowd. So for us, it's about, having a good day tomorrow, kind of getting some rest, and then just controlling the game from the start. Kind of don't sit back and let them take it to us. I think we did a great job of that these last 2 games. I thought, right from the puck drop, we were all over them. So we got to do that there.
I've heard about your